How's it going, gents? Here we are today on, I've got Yamaha gloves on. It's a bit of a travesty. This is a new Husqvarna 300 two-stroke fuel injected, no Kickstarter. Jesus Christ. Never thought I'd see that on a two-stroke. At Wildwood, on a Husqvarna demo day. How do we start this thing up, man? I never know how to freaking start.
You know where you're going?
Yeah, that way.
I'll follow you.
All right. Let's go, eh? Fuel injected. First time on a fuel injected. I don't actually really know where I'm going this way, eh? Filming me. Go through the mud. Oh yeah, why not, eh? Not my bike. I'm not cleaning it. Got a freaking cow. He's getting a bit too close. Hey, bud. Oh, she is beautifully smooth down low. I'm kind of comparing this to my cousin's 2016 one. Ooh, good brakes. I'm always literally the only bike I've ever looped doing a wheelie. I've looped one bike once ever wheeling, and it was my cousin's 300. We go that way? No, we go this way, I think. I'm so lost. Now the whole goal of this is not to see how fast it goes, man. My WR450 was fast enough. This is purely wanting to see how just follow the track. I want to see how slow it can go. That's why I don't want anyone sitting behind me. Because the main reason I kind of want an the thing I didn't like about my WR450 was that it would boil itself doing slow stuff like this, like really kind of, you know, you're stuck in a single track. What is it doing down there? Oof! Look at that freaking hill climb, man. Let's go do that. I want it. Oh god, it's so good. The suspension, the Explorer suspension on these things, it makes the 450 just look like junk, man. Like, let's pop it off this. Into the freaking downhill. All right, I'm gonna lug up this in like second. Look at that. We'll see how slow I can go up in second. I know you're probably confused. I'm like, you're at 300, go super fast, but I'm more interested in the traction. Look at that. Beautiful. That's what I want a 300 for, man. For the slow stuff. I know that, because I mean, I think that's why the 300 is so popular. Is for, you have this slow, meaty freaking low end, but then, you know, when you come to a hill like this, you can just spin it up and then just absolutely tank up, man. We're gonna jump. Let's test out the suspension. Oh. Might actually take my goggles off for a sec. Rock garden. I'm going to stop for just a second. Get the thumbnail. These are the things you got to think about as a YouTuber. Alright, I'm going to just chuck this. So it's choking me. Alright. We did our slow riding. This is what you've come to see. Full pelt 300. Okay, is this? Oh man, I was actually a lot. So I've just come off the 500. That was a lot easier to go through this. The thing I struggle with on 300s is actually trying to go really fast. Ugh, just don't have the freaking arm strength to do it. I think we've actually got to go a little slow here. Someone's house here. This is what I want this bike for though. I want to ride it like Graham Jarvis, man. Trials mode, just try and get really controlled wheelies down. That's why I want a 300, man. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh man, she's got some traction, man. Where's the track? Where's the track? Alright, let's go. 300 power. Where am I going? Jesus Christ, man. If you don't ride these bikes in a bit, I'm gonna ride my 252 on, man. Look at the arm strength. Alright, that was a quick lap on the 300, man. Did not do it justice, that's for sure. Where are we going? There's my waifu. Hello. Wowzers. I was Tom. I am a Tom. Probably going to another Tom. Alright, that was it. God, I wish I had more physical strength. I probably shouldn't have ridden the 500 first and freaking wore myself out in one freaking lap, man. Anyway, excuses. I'm just slow. Hey waifu, let's go play World of Warcraft. Yee yee!